Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about, and I like this blog. Wait, what do my pets have to do with my bankruptcy case? When you file a bankruptcy case, it's all about complete disclosure. When you get relief from your debts, you have to put all your cards on the table. You can't go, well, I'm not going to show you this. I'll show you the rest of it, but I'm not going to show you this. You can't do that. You got to put everything on the table, even pets. Now, look, I've been doing this for almost 30 years. I'm not sure I've ever had a situation where I've had a pet that was worth a lot of money. But it can happen. There are some pets, some breeds, some, whatever. I don't even understand a lot of this stuff that is worth a lot of money. And so, your pets have to be disclosed. Usually, folks, this is about nominal value. I know pets have a lot of emotional value. I have a pet, and, the thought of placing a price tag on his head, it's distasteful, right? But if we really are honest with ourselves, the vast majority of our pets are worth, and I don't want you to tell your pet this, $50, $100 maybe. Not a lot of money, right? Emotional value. But again, there are pets that are worth a lot of money. The other thing that pets have to do with bankruptcy is expenses. They're an expense. Now, look, I personally think that, what you get from a pet far exceeds the expense you pay on it. Like, I always think it's cheap therapy, right? But, they do cost some money. And so on the expenses, yes, we're going to list it as an expense because you have to buy food, you have to take your pet to the vet, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So that's what pets have to do with bankruptcy. Wonderful blog. When the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm, Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.